Pakistan journey. The first topic of this unit is Rafi's cousin Hiba. So it is a story of Hiba, who came from Islamabad to Karachi to meet her relatives. So let's read with me. This is Rafi's cousin. Her name is Hiba. She lives in Islamabad. Today she is happy. Hiba and her mother are going to Karachi to visit Rafi's family. Let's read it again. This is Rafi's cousin. Her name is Hiba. She lives in Islamabad. Today she is happy. Hiba and her mother are going to Karachi to visit Rafi's family. Hiba goes to the airport. She sees a big plane. Wow! She says, it's like a bird. She gets on the plane. It makes a loud noise. Then it goes up. Now I am going to translate all the sentences. This is Rafi's cousin. ये राफे की cousin है. Here is her picture. यहाँ पे ये उसकी picture भी है. Her name is Hiba. इसका नाम हिबा है. She lives in Islamabad. ये इस्लामाबाद में रहती है. Today she is happy. आज ये खुश है. Hiba and her mother are going to Karachi. हिबा और उसकी अम्मी कराची जा रहे हैं to visit Rafi's family. राफे की फैमिली को या ख़ानदान को मिलने. Hiba goes to the airport. हिबा हवाई अड्डे पर गई है. She sees a big plane. उसने वहाँ एक बड़ा जहाज़ देखा. Wow! She says, उसने कहा, it's like a bird. ये तो परिंदे जैसा है. She gets on the plane. वो प्लेन में बैठी. It makes a loud noise. इसने ऊंचा शोर मचाया. किसने? जहाज़ ने. Then it goes up. और फिर वो ऊपर चला गया. So the Rafi's cousin Hiba is coming from Islamabad to meet her cousin's family, Rafi's family. So there she went to airport and she saw a very big plane. It looks like a bird. It makes noise and then it goes up in the air. Now everyone please repeat after me all the words. This is Rafi's cousin. Her name is Hiba. She lives in Islamabad. Today she is happy. Hiba and her mother are going to Karachi to visit Rafi's family. Hiba goes to the airport. She sees a big plane. Wow! She says, it's like a bird. She gets on the plane. It makes a loud noise. Then it goes up. Islamabad from the air. Now this is the picture or a photo of Islamabad city. You can see there are hills. The names of these hills are Margala Hills. This is the main city and you can see the tiny houses there. Hiba looks out of the window. हिबा ने विंडो से बाहर देखा and sees Islamabad. और इस्लामाबाद शहर को देखा। शी सीज लॉट्स ऑफ टाइनी हाउसेज एंड स्ट्रेट रोड्स। उसने बहुत से सारे छोटे छोटे घर और सीधी सड़कें देखी। अब द हाउसेज आर लुक टाइनी फ्रॉम द एयर। जो हाउसेज हैं वो एयर से ऊंचाई से छोटे नज़र आ रहे हैं, बट इन एक्चुअल दे आर नॉट टाइनी। देन शी सॉ सम स्ट्रेट रोड्स। शी सीज द ग्रीन मार्गला हिल्स। उसने ऊपर से क्या क्या देखा? शी सीज tiny houses, she sees straight roads, she sees green Margala hills from the air, because she is sitting in the airplane. And in which city she lives in? Islamabad. And why she is going to the airport? Because she wants to meet her cousin and his family. And what is the name of his cousin? It's Rafi. Okay, now here is a map of the flag of Pakistan. Our country name is Pakistan, and it is the flag of our country. So you have to complete the words by adding letters, last letters in each word. ठीक है? For example, this is the picture of our flag. So which letter is missing here? कौन सा letter यहाँ पे miss है? Very good. G. Flag. Flag. Okay, now there is a star and the moon on our flag. This is the star and this is the moon. The green color represents Muslim majority. Because Pakistan is an Islamic country, so this green color represents Muslim majority, and the white color represent non-Muslim minorities, because we also have the people who believe on other religions like Christianity, Hinduism, and so on. So this white color represents the minority of Pakistan, and the green color is showing that this country is Islamic country, and it shows that we are Muslim, and the Muslim people live in Pakistan. Mostly Muslim people live here. So you have to complete the letters and make the word. For example, it is star. So which letter is missing here? T. So if you write T in the blank, you can complete this word, and it is star. Now look into this thing. What is it? It is moon. So which letter is missing here? N. So here you will write letter N to complete the word. Okay, now which color is this? Green. So here are the spellings of green, but the spellings are incomplete. So which letter you will write over here? N. G R E N. Green. Star. M U N. Moon. Flag. Okay, now what is it? White. So here, which letter you will write in this blank? Very good. Letter T. WHITE. White. So why it is a tricky word, so that's why it does not follow the genrophonic rules. Now come to the another activity which you can also do on your, you can also complete it on your books. Circle the correct word in each sentence. Hiba lives in, where does she live? Islamabad, Lahore or Karachi? Yes. Ayan, please tell me. Hunain, please tell me, in which city Hiba lives? Islamabad. So you will mark a tick, or you can circle it with your pencils. Option A. Then Rafi lives in Islamabad, Lahore or Karachi. So in which city Rafi lives? Very good. Rafi lives in Karachi. Hiba's Rafi's what? Sister, brother or cousin? What is the relation between Rafi and Hiba? Is she his cousin, sister or brother? Very good. She is his cousin. She goes on a dash, bus, plane or ship? Very good. She goes on the ship. From the plane, the houses look big, huge or small? Small. The meaning of word tiny is small or very small. So the right option of this MCQ is small. Now everybody, we are going to read the story again. You can repeat after me. Unit number 5, Pakistan's journey. Rafi's cousin Hiba. This is Rafi's cousin. Her name is Hiba. She lives in Islamabad. Today she is happy. Hiba and her mother are going to Karachi to visit Rafi's family. I'm going to read it again. This is Rafi's cousin. Her name is Hiba. She lives in Islamabad. Today she is happy. Hiba and her mother are going to Karachi to visit Rafi's family. Hiba goes to the airport. She sees a big plane. Wow, she says. It's like a bird. She gets on the plane. It makes a loud noise. Then it goes up. Hiba looks out of the window and sees Islamabad. She sees lots of tiny houses and straight roads. She sees the green Margara hills. Okay, now see everyone. This is book page number 18 on your in your workbook of social studies. It's a coloring activity. They are saying air, land and sea. There is 3 types of transportation. Number 1 air, land, number 2 and number 3 is sea transport. So what you are going to do today, you are going to color red in land transport, color yellow in air transport and color blue in water transport. So there are three means of transportation. Number one is land transport, the other one is water transport, and the third one is air transport. Can you give me an example of land transportation? It's car, very good, bus, rickshaw, motorbike, cycle, very good, and scooty. So which transport Hiba used to travel from Islamabad to Karachi? Which transport she used? Yes, it is air transport. She used air transport to travel from Islamabad to Karachi. Okay, now tell me any example of water transport. Give an example. Yes, Sunain? वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट की मुझे एक एग्जांपल दे दे. वेरी गुड. बोट्स, गुड. शिप एंड yacht. Okay, so now give me example of air transport. Very good. It's airplane, helicopter. Okay, now what you will do, you will label the name of, you will write the name of each transport that you can see on this page. This is the car. This one is, what is this? This is helicopter. And what is the name of this transport? It's boat. And what is that? Airplane, bus and ship. So you will color the each transport differently. Which color you will fill in land transport? Red color. And which color you fill in air transport? Yellow color. And which color you will fill in water transport? Blue. Okay, now here is a picture of airplane. These are the wings of an airplane, and this is the whole body of an airplane, and it's just look like a bird. It resembles with the bird. This sharp edge is a cockpit of an airplane. Here the pilot sits and control whole airplane. So this is the place, it's called tail, and this area has a fan as well. यहाँ पे ये tail होती है just like a bird की भी tail होती है और airplane की भी tail होती है. अब आपने क्या करना है, what you have to do, you have to just match the wings with the wings and the tail with the tails. So here's a picture of a bird and here is a picture of an airplane. So these are the wings of an airplane, and where are the wings of a bird? Here. So you will match with it like this, and then you will match the tails with the tails. You will find out the tail of a plane, and then you will find out the tail of the bird, and then you will match both of them with the word tail. Dum जिसको उर्दू में कहते हैं. ठीक है. So you will do page number 18, and you will also do the reading of page number 18 and 19 along with these little activities, which is words. Complete the words and encircle the correct answer. So let's repeat all the words again. Hiba lives in Islamabad, Lahore or Karachi. Very good. She lives in Islamabad. Rafi lives in Islamabad, Lahore or Karachi. Yes, he lives in Karachi. Very good. Hiba is Rafi's what? Sister, brother or cousin? Cousin. Very good. She goes on a bus, plane or ship? Plane. From the plane, the houses look big, huge or small? Small. So one class, this is your today's lesson. You will do the reading practice of unit number 5. Topic are Rafi's cousin Hiba and Islamabad from the year. So these topics you will prepare for your reading practice, and you will complete these 2 tiny exercises on the book. And there is another coloring activity for you on page number 18 of unit number 5. Take care. Allah Hafiz.